Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and we just sent this, which is actually a very cool vacuum. It looks like it could be the base of a lightsaber from Star Wars. I mean, this thing has got some suction. It's about 82,000 RPMs. It's got a nice filter built in there, and you can actually see the debris. And the little control panel here, when you turn this on, actually has a really nice digital display that allows you to switch to some different settings. Oh my gosh, that's going to really do some suction. And then easy dump too, because you actually can hold it over a trash and dump that. But it does have a lot of neat other attachments that kind of come in here. And in here you've actually got pet attachments for pet hair. I mean, look at all these. We got attachments. You've got attachments on top of attachments. I mean, this thing has got lots of versatility, nice bag that it can go into. You've got an attachment here that attaches on the end so that you can clean out your dryer vent. I mean, you've got lots of different ones there. You've even got little ones like this guy here that you can attach on and clean out, like keyboards and things like that. So this has a lot of neat attachments. I'm going to go ahead and attach one on here and I'll show you how I can clean out a keyboard. So this is cool. You actually have your attachments on the front, so you can turn this on. It's going to get kind of loud. It'll be suctioning out there, so if you're needing to clean out around keyboards, things like that, you can easily do that with this nice soft bristles. But another really cool feature is the back part of this acts as a blower, so you can even put on different attachments on the back, like this guy here with the brush. And now it's actually a blower, so you can actually use that as a way to blow out things like keyboards and get all the dust and junk out of everything, which is really a cool option to be able to do that so that you have multiple ways to suck and blow. I'm going to go out to the car and I'm going to show you how it's going to work out there. So now I've got it here in the car, and you can see there's all kinds of dirt. If you're sitting in car line waiting for kids, I mean, this is great. You got the battery, you can turn this thing on here. I'm going to crank it up. I mean, that's making short work, sucking all that debris. And then when you want to get into those hard to reach places, you've actually got this here. So if you're wanting to get down to cracks in between seats, underneath seats, inside of seats, I mean, you've got a little, that's powerful suction. So now I'm going to turn it off. You can actually see all the debris that is actually collected down in here. And then again, look at all that. Look at all that debris. You're going to come over here and you can actually push this button, knock that out of there, and it's just like you're ready to go again. Charges up quick, should last a long time, and would be great in anybody's car.